Okay, here we go. Ron from Mighty House. Taking a look at this small addition we're doing, and this is the, I guess you could call this building in Illinois area, Chicagoland area. And what we've done is, previous episode you saw where we had the footings and foundation down 42 inches, and we had the drain tile in. There in the corner you'll see the sump pump pit, and there's drain tile on the inside and outside of this. And then today they poured the concrete floor, and so that's gotten poured along with the 2-inch insulation foam board that went up on the outside walls prior to actually doing the concrete. So that way that's insulated all the way down to the footings. Slab comes over and it seals it up real nice. So there we go. Next week we'll start framing this floor and getting that started. See you next time.